Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and tap on Next. Here we will have to add the Google account. Of course, if you've got one currently applied to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you will have to add it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, simply tap on I agree after reading. And here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, it's totally up to you. Just mark the option and tap on Confirm. Here let's tap on Manage Backup. And this is the backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.